Do you have Cobra also? No.
Cobra I have.
You have? Which flavor?
The color yellow.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute.
You want?
Yeah.
You want?
Yeah.
Gusto.
Is it?
Tagpila mo kahoy arite. Like 25.
Is that the only one you have, or you got other different? You got different kinds or no?
Only this only one color. Cobra. Tagasan sa.
How much? What is it? 45 now?
No. How much is that? 15.
No, together.
Together this 35. All is 35.
Okay.
You want straw?
No.
Italiano. You look like Italian.
No. No.
From US.
Yeah, USA.
California.
No, Texas. Yeah.
I have friend in Texas.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's old.
He's old.
He's almost 65 years old.
Oh, yeah. Mm. He visit here or no? Oh, not yet.
Only chatting in FB.
Yeah. Today's my last. What? Yeah, today's my last day. Tomorrow we go. Tomorrow I go to Tagbilaran.
Then we go Banglao. Last day yung bago siya US. Pa na ka day? Ha? Bago kayo kay kamay si Jano. Tingog dako no. Taga-asa day ka? Ha? Her language and my language is the same. Bisaya.
Oh, Visaya.
But this place is Mindanao. We have a Bisaya.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, she speaks. I didn't know there was two here.
Yeah.
I only knew about one.
He's young. I see he's young.
Huh?
She's young.
She's young?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pila din edad day? 21. Wow. Mana makaka-eskwela? Third year college pa. You finish first the study before you go in the US, right?
Yeah.
Nanay gagmay.
I'll put this right there.
Taparo.
I'll put it right there. Oh, do we have to leave it?
Yeah.
We do? Oh.
Kani? 35 pura niyo eh. 35. Thank you, te. Thank you for welcome. Onsa?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, she does have.
Too heavy.
Yeah, just put it. So, Sari Sari Store basically is kind of like like a convenience store in the US. You could find stuff like to wash dishes. You could buy eggs, ice cream, soups, toilet paper, all for the hygiene, stuff like that. Most of the times they'll have eggs, beer, liquor, rice, etc. It just varies. Some you can find toothpaste, soap, toilet paper, flour, And yeah, pretty much, the basic stuff that you will find at a convenience store.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.